Creating email templates in Salesforce can help you save time and streamline communication with clients. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of how to create email templates in Salesforce quickly and easily. Stick with me till the end because we'll cover a couple of pro tips to make your email templates even more powerful. First things first, let's start by logging into Salesforce. Once you're in, go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right corner, and from there, select Setup. This will take you to the Salesforce Setup menu, where we'll find the email template section. You can use Salesforce for completely free from the first link below, and we also have some exclusive bonuses for you, so be sure to check that out. Next thing, we need to navigate to the Email Templates section. In the search bar on the left, just type in Email Templates and select it from the drop-down. Now, you're in the right spot to begin creating your template. The fourth thing, click the New Template button. You'll have a few options for the type of template you want to create, like text, HTML, custom, or Visualforce. For most cases, you'll likely want to choose either the text or HTML option, depending on how you want your email to look. For example, an HTML template allows for more customization with colors, fonts, and images. Next, once you've selected your preferred template type, it's time to fill in some basic details. You'll give your template a name, a unique description, and specify the folder where it will be stored. Don't forget to select the Available for Use checkbox so that your template can be accessed when sending emails later on. The fifth thing is adding content. Whether you're writing a simple email or a more complex HTML-based message, make sure to include dynamic merge fields where relevant. These fields allow you to personalize emails for each recipient. For example, if you want to greet your recipient by their name, you can use the first name merge field. This is a game changer for creating personalized and automated messages. Now, let's talk about adding attachments, which you can do with the Insert Merge field option. You can also insert a variety of other fields that Salesforce tracks, like account or opportunity details. This is perfect for tailoring your emails based on the data stored within Salesforce. The next thing, once your template looks good and you're happy with the content, it's time to save it. Click Save or Save and Amp New if you want to create additional templates. You can always return to your templates later to edit or delete them as necessary. The seventh thing, let's quickly talk about sending your email. You can easily access your templates when creating an email in Salesforce. Just select the Insert Template button in the Email Composer, choose the template you want, and voila, you're ready to send it out to multiple recipients in a matter of seconds. Finally, a pro tip for power users, you can organize your templates into folders for easy access. If you have a lot of templates, it can be helpful to categorize them based on things like sales, support, or marketing emails. So there you have it, how to create email templates in Salesforce, step by step. If you want to dive deeper into automating your workflow in Salesforce, remember that you can get this software completely free through the first link below, along with an extended free trial. Don't forget, with these email templates, you'll save time and increase efficiency in your business communications.